Imagine a life where money flows into your account consistently, like clockwork. Monthly dividend ETFs are your ticket to achieving this financial dream. In this realm of investing, we explore the top 5 monthly dividend ETFs for 2025, designed not only to provide regular income, but also to enhance your portfolio's growth over time. This is more than just an investment. It's a strategic approach to building wealth and ensuring financial security. Diving into the world of monthly dividend ETFs, you'll discover an appealing alternative to traditional investments. While typical ETFs may pay dividends quarterly or annually, these unique funds offer a refreshing monthly payout, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of passive income without the need for active management. Imagine receiving a steady paycheck each month, contributing to your financial goals and providing peace of mind. It's a remarkable option for those seeking to bolster their income streams without the burdens of selling assets or managing day-to-day market fluctuations. The power of these ETFs lies in their diverse array of holdings, typically comprising a blend of bonds, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and finance-focused stocks. They are meticulously chosen to focus on consistency and reliability. This combination not only generates a steady income, but also positions your portfolio for potential capital appreciation. As inflation rises and financial markets fluctuate, monthly dividend ETFs serve as a potential hedge, enhancing your purchasing power through continuous payouts, all while providing a pathway to financial independence. With careful selection and strategic investment, you can harness the benefits of these funds to create a foundation for lasting financial success. In conclusion, adding monthly dividend ETFs to your investment strategy can transform your financial landscape. As you embark on this journey toward consistent income and long-term growth, keep an eye on the top contenders for 2025. With the appropriate research and tailored approach, these investments can serve as the cornerstone of your financial freedom, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor without lifting a finger. It's time to embrace this powerful tool for building wealth and securing your future. In today's investment landscape, generating reliable passive income can be a challenge. Yet several options stand out due to their solid track records and stability. When searching for the right ETFs, I focused on 4 key indicators: solid performance history, stable dividend yields, low expense ratios, and long-term sustainability. In this volatile market, these attributes provide peace of mind to investors relying on consistent income without the burden of constant monitoring. One standout choice is the J.P. Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, JEPI, which boasts an impressive yield of approximately 8%. JEPI employs a strategy of covered calls on blue-chip stocks, offering a stable and high monthly payout while maintaining defensive positioning. This ETF is perfect for those prioritizing security and steady income flow, allowing investors to benefit from quality companies while enhancing their cash returns. Another robust option is the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD, yielding around 3.5%. Though it pays quarterly, SCHD shines in its focus on dividend growth stocks, establishing itself as one of the most consistent dividend performers available. With SCHD, investors can enjoy capital appreciation alongside growing dividends, creating a well-rounded investment perfect for a long-term strategy. For those seeking more aggressive income opportunities, the Global X Nasdaq 100 Covered Call ETF, QYLD, presents a high yield ranging from 10% to 12%. QYLD targets investors who prioritize income, although potential capital appreciation may be limited. This ETF provides a tactical approach to yield generation, appealing to individuals willing to balance risk and reward in their portfolios. Furthermore, the Global X Russell 2000 Covered Call ETF, RYLD, yields approximately 11%, diversifying into smaller cap U.S. stocks for income generation. RYLD offers exposure to a broader segment of the market while still embracing the covered call strategy, giving investors a unique avenue to enhance their passive income streams. Lastly, Realty Income Corporation, known as the Monthly Dividend Company, generates a reliable yield of around 5.5%. With over 50 years of dividend payout history, this RAT is tailored specifically for monthly income, making it an essential inclusion in a well-diversified income-focused portfolio. In the pursuit of wealth, the relationship between yield and risk is crucial. Investors naturally seek high yields. However, these often accompany increased risks. For instance, while covered call ETFs like QYLD and RYLD offer enticing monthly dividends, their structure limits potential upside growth. Understanding this trade-off is essential for making informed investment choices. On the other hand, real estate investment trusts, REITs, such as Realty Income, can present their own challenges. Their values may fluctuate considerably with changing interest rates, making them susceptible to market conditions. Thus, experiencing volatility in REITs requires a readiness to weather the ups and downs inherent in real estate investments. Achieving a balanced approach through diversification can mitigate these risks. Investors should cautiously distribute their capital across various investment vehicles rather than concentrating all their funds into a single ETF. Crafting an income-generating portfolio requires insightful strategy. Combining high-yield ETFs with growth-oriented assets can yield both income and capital appreciation. This dual strategy allows investors to enjoy consistent monthly dividends while still participating in the growth of their investments. Moreover, a smart move is to reinvest dividends early on. This practice amplifies the power of compounding and accelerates portfolio growth over time. Imagine your dividends morphing into a steady side income stream, opening doors to new financial opportunities. Each reinvestment reinforces your portfolio's foundation, laying the groundwork for wealth accumulation that can support your financial goals. With time and discipline, the result will be a robust investment strategy paying its dividends literally and figuratively. Exploring investment options for 2025 unveils at least 5 ETFs recognized for their solid monthly dividend potential. Yet, it is imperative to caution investors against diving headfirst into new opportunities without thorough research. Understanding the nuances of each ETF, including its structure and market conditions, lays a pathway for a strategic investment journey. If you're finding these insights valuable, consider engaging with the content further. By liking, subscribing to Financial Wisdom channels, and sharing this information, you empower both yourself and others towards creating passive income paths. Always remember, effective investing combines knowledge with action. Invest smartly, remain financially free, and embrace your financial journey.